over the land of the free.
I started singing a bit more when I got to high school, mainly in like musical theater. And then I started taking singing more seriously once I got here to Butte. And it's been really fun. I've enjoyed it. A big thing about community colleges is community, and I wanted to find that here at Butte. And I wasn't quite ready to take the big step of going from high school to a four-year college, so Butte College provided that easy transition between the two. Butte's allowed me to grow a lot as a person because I know when I first got here, I was very shy. I still am more of a shy, introverted person, but I've been able to get out of my comfort zone and really explore, and Butte has provided a lot of opportunities to do that, and I feel like I've grown very confident.